Can you get off your phone, mate?
Why? The thing sounds rough as fuck.
Bought the wrong car. Anyway.
We're doing a exhaust
what are we doing?
video.
We doing an exhaust video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
God, I'll tell you what, those exhausts need changing. Let's go in the boot, see if we can find another system. Oh!
Oh, sorry, I was sleeping.
What was that?
Hello everyone, welcome back to another Mondra video. Now you might wonder why I'm in the boot at the moment. There's a good reason for this. Because of these bad boys down here, eh? 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 So, I'm thinking about getting a new exhaust. Let me get out of it. Let me get out. So I'm thinking about getting a new exhaust for this car. So at the moment you can see the tips. Now I think they're a little bit too small. So what I want to do is get a Mark 7.5 exhaust system where we make the tips a bit bigger. As you can see they are quite small if you zoom in on them. I also want to get a new exhaust system itself. So there's plenty of different options you can get. So ones that I've looked at so far, Remus and Miltech. You can also go down to a local garage and just get the CAT, which is the catalytic converter, or the back box taken out as well. So I don't know what you guys think would be the better option. So obviously if you get the system, a brand new system, it's more expensive, but you get to keep the original exhaust. So once you sell it, you can just put it straight back on. You just have to store it somewhere. Or you can sort of just mishmash the system and take out different points, but then there's a lot of welding in it, and if I'm honest, I probably won't go with that because it's a little bit more damaging on the system, and I actually want to keep it all stock when I sell it. So I don't know, let me know what you think I should get, other brands that you think might be quite good or cheaper than the ones I've listed in the video. Yeah, let me know in the comments, and we'll play a couple clips of the car right now, revving off, and see what you think of the sound now, and also, you know, link us to some other places that you might think have better exhaust than me, so other videos such as Miltech exhaust or something. I don't know, but yeah.
Hiya.
Gonna get in?
No.
Okay. Should we get a bit of sunroof up, Monty? Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Right, so it's got a bit of a... Should we do it?
Just do it.
Should we get it launch? So, thank you all for watching another Mondra video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you think I should get a certain exhaust for the GTI, let me know in the comments. I'm open to different ideas. I don't want anything too loud, so I want something that's just a little bit louder than what is stock, but not ridiculous, because I know some people have exhausts which are just dumb. I don't like those. But yeah, let me know what I should get. Maybe you have one on your own car, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching another video, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.
What's been up to today then?
So this is what it looks like with the POV on.
Hi. Oh my god, my phone's burnt.
Hi, POV.
Go on, go on.
Yeah. Come on.